Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make and other 3D text with help of the pixellab. For this purpose must watch full video because I have guided you step by step in this tutorial very easily. I have given the links of background used and also the link of fonts in the description. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment box or you can join my social group or Facebook account. So friends, I have shown you all the steps very clearly by the touching on them. If you want to use this PLP file, follow my steps. I hope you will understand easily. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like this video. Please like, comment, share my video and subscribe my channel for new easy tricks and all kind of editing material.